Hi, this is Ben Bausili with Curator, and I'm going to show you how to use Page Builder to create a section that has a combination of text, images, and a button on a home page. So we've already kind of started a page. It has a header image, it has some text, but now we're going to create our area for links. And so what I'm going to do is create 4 sections for our layout, and you could do more or less here depending on what you want to go for. And then we are going to edit that content. First off, I'm going to do some things with the formatting. So here in our left-hand nav, I can set the background color of that element. I can increase the padding, and you'll see what the effect of this is after we've done the item. Now for the actual content, I'm using a text element. And so this is our WYSIWYG. You can come in here and, like any kind of blog platform or Word document, you can format that. And that's a great way to bring all this stuff together. So right now, I've selected an image and I'm uploading it into the system. And you can see it brings it in and centers it right off the bat. Now I can add the text that I want. And so you could choose lots of different styles here. I'm choosing to go with a big bold title, and then I'm going to add some filler text here underneath. As is tradition in web development projects, I'm using Lipsum Ipsum text, which you can find by Googling, but this is just filler text to be a placeholder for now. The important thing is when you're kind of doing these blocky styles, if you have 4 across, 3 across, something like that, your text is going to have to be pretty small, right? And so that's actually what you see me doing on the screen, is editing that text, and you probably need to edit your copy so that it looks the right balance. But you can see we're pretty good here. Keep in mind that my preview is of a tablet right now. You can kind of expand the screen and see what it would look like on desktop, or go to the home actual page to see it. But for now, this looks pretty good. So we're going to move on to adding buttons. So again, just like we added the background color and the inner padding, we can add a button here in the left-hand nav. So we can go in and add a custom URL. You can point to a page or other elements that you've uploaded to our system. For now, we'll just point to Google and we'll say click here. You have some different button styles that you can add, primary and secondary. Those things can be controlled in the global styles area under your portal settings. So, right now we have this kind of blue button. We'll leave it as is for now. Kind of goes with our beach theme here. But obviously we could work to make all of the style look better. From there, just to give you a sense of what this could all look like, I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this text elements from the other button here. This is a good way to kind of do a template anyway. So you can copy all these elements really quickly. You have the same formatting, then you can just kind of mess with the titles and text. So from there, you can see they're styled differently. So I'm going to use that left-hand area once again to change the color, and I'll just poke through each of those items and add that background color. You'll notice because the image is bigger, because I haven't added the inner padding yet, there's that white area. So don't worry about that. That'll go away as soon as I add this. And of course, with better icons and images, this could really, really pop and look very good. So again, just checking the inner padding there, and I'm going to make it consistent across all of these as 50 each. And you can see how that changes the look and feel immediately. Now, the last remaining item I need to do to make this consistent is add buttons to all of these. So we'll go ahead and add buttons there. We'll skip over adding the actual URL, but getting those in place will make the rest of these tiled areas look good. Now, remember, these aren't true Curator tiles. These are custom made, so you have to keep them up to date yourself. But for home pages, for landing pages where you're going to have very static, consistent things, and you want that extra ability to style, this is a great solution. So let's go to the front page of our trial site so we can see what this looks like on desktop And you can see we have a really great landing page with a good style. This is a good base for building off of and doing some amazing things. To learn more, visit us at curator.interworks.com or on any social platform at Interworks.